Menteri Rangba kami kelihau Konrad sang mau lepli perdaya kebentar benengkong jong ke Ganal Hydel Power Project. Kumbahannya 0.1 megawatt unit jong ke RPR 0.1 megawatt Ganal Hydro Power Project ke hap-hapok kebentar benengkong. Kini ke project kelai kenduk shibun ke jingpen selam naduk belapun ya ha usnam arajan reu bat kaladon ru ke jingkeu jong ke jingpen lut na kalai sepak san penuri keluar tingkah syakasan sepak nyo keluar tingkah. Lapan terekam ya kini ke project haci bragre ke bajengai ke bakasan kilometer natura kini kendai ke hydro power project ke benengkong tam hari lom garo. Kajing penmi boarding ke lalong ke basitam hari lom garo khamtam hagib naik telang barang rengkyang bat kajing petre ya kini ke project kan la ban pendap ya kajing dawa boarding.
I'm sure that with the inauguration of this project, the augmentation of the overall power supply will go up. Of course, there's a lot more to be done in order to ensure that we are self-sufficient. But this is also one step forward to ensure that we move towards our goal of becoming self-sufficient in our power generation.
Keseng National